Magandang hapon po mga kapatid. Kakaiba po ang ating episode ngayon dahil po kakaiba ang ating food experience. Ang Kind Cafe. Nandito po kami sa Festival Mall. Kasama po natin si April Vietala. At ito pa ang good news po namin. Lalo po tayong magiging mas malakas at malusog. Hi, April.
Hello.
Congratulations with your new restaurant.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Paano nyo naisip magpapatayo ng isang vegan, plant-based restaurant?
Naging plant-based po kasi or naging vegan for 5 years with my husband and children. So they transition journey. Actually, napanood ko sa Netflix, Game Changer. Na-game changer kami.
Doon kayo talaga.
Yes. And then after that, then we wanted to nag-shift kami sa plant-based eating. At that time, mahirap talaga mag-plant-based kasi wala sa market.
So you were frustrated?
Yes. So what we did, we have to learn everything to cook yung mga favorite ng mga bata para mag-transition na vegan version.
Napakahirap, di ba? Mga katribo, kasi yung mga bata ayaw kumain ng gulay. Paano nyo nagawa yun?
Actually, ang ginawa ko namin, pinanood namin sila ng video.
Pinakot yun?
No, hindi po. Video siya na yung mga animals that are having it. So, like there's something clicks na. And they don't want to eat it. Actually, mas madali po sa moral aspect. Rather than i-push mo na, healthy ito.
Tama. Hey, mothers and fathers, that's nothing new.
Yes, ganun po.
So you use the emotional
Yes,
because convince your children.
Yes, because we believe po that children are naturally good. Kasi if you present them a rabbit or an apple, they will play with the rabbit and eat that.
Hey, parang ako yun, mga kapatid ko. Kaya sinabi ko kay April, dream ko talaga magkaroon ng isang that kind cafe. Tingnan na naman ang menu ko. Makikita niyo kind. Totoo naman yan. The world needs a little bit more kind. How kind is your menu? Tell us. To go through this menu, tinanong ko kay April, sinabi ko, okay, pumili ka ng mga favorite dishes dito. So let's explain what they are.
So, we created a bento because ever since we became vegan, it's very hard to eat in Japanese restaurants.
Yeah.
Because there's, wala pong masyadong vegan option. And at the same time, we are also with the contamination. So that's why we created this para naman dun sa mga in love sa Japanese people.
So this is a vegan bento tray.
Yes.
O, tingnan na naman ang
So we have the gyoza and then miso and then you have the tofu tonkatsu.
Tingnan mo naman, very convincing, no? Ilapit na natin. Makita natin mamaya ang pictures. Ilapit na.
And then,
can you show this sa camera? Makita natin. Oh, close up lang to the camera. Just bring it closer to the camera. Yan. Tingnan mo, model ko, kapatid ko si Connie.
Hi. Oh, where are we? Here we are.
Oh, show it. Oh, closer. Yan. Tingnan mo naman. O, diba? Gusto niyo nang kainin? Punta po kayo dito sa The Kind Cafe sa Festival Mall.
Kain na?
Put it down. Okay? Tapos ito naman. Itong pasta na ito.
yes.
Lahat ng pagkain dito ay plant-based.
Yes.
So, even if it looks like salmon,
Yeah, plant-based.
plant-based.
Yes, but no animal product. So even the condiment we're using, it has to be.
Ayun.
Yes.
So, pag sinabi yung plant-based, ano-ano pa ka gulay?
Pretty much, pag sinabi ko kasi vegan or plant-based, lahat po nang nagugulong sa soil.
Ayun. So, basta walang hayop.
Yes, wala.
Walang hayop. Kasi ang ganda ng menu nila. Not only that, it's also a coffee bar.
Yes, it's a specialty cafe.
Specialty cafe kasi tingnan nyo naman yung mga kape nila. On half of your menu is coffee.
Yes, because we are originally the concept for we joined Vegan Festival for 2 years. We always serve specialty. But now, since we're in the mall, we asked by the mall to also serve vegan.
Tingnan nyo naman itong mga kape nila, mga coffee addicts. Okay, tell us about your coffee.
Okay.
You show the coffee.
Yes. Our coffee po, it's only 100% Arabica.
Coffee.
Yes, we don't use any other beans. Only 100%.
Bakit Arabica? Pinili.
Kasi,
Kape, yung mga kape. Pakita natin yung mga kape.
Bakit
Bakit lahat Arabica?
because po, pag Arabica kasi they only, grow lang sila sa high altitude. And then medyo, mas maano po sila, mas special sila kaysa sa Robusta. Mas hirap po sila dito. And then yung sa amin po, we have their single origin. We also have the award-winning, like si Sir, in order na is the specialty coffee kasi naka-pour over siya. So meaning, Sir single origin, is it Simeon? We got the single origin. Kasi iba yung taste nila.
Ito yung mga award-winning.
Yes, pag award-winning, yes. Award-winning po is, nanalo sila sa cupping score. So, usually po kasi sa cupping score, up to 100%. So, nasa 80 po.
Ang galing mo naman, April.
We studied din po kasi barista before.
Hindi ba sinabi ko mga katribo ka?
Graduate barista.
If you want a unique and rare experience, you must come to the Kind Cafe. Because everything on the menu will be kind to your body and to your spirit.
Yes. Guilt-free.
Guilt-free. To your mind.
Yes. And then,
Okay. Meron akong nakita sa maganda doon, no? Ano yun? Parang gutom na ako. Mga katribo.
yes, you can taste, can we get,
Food tasting tayo.
food tasting?
What is this? These are mushroom
This is mushroom, po. Parang take on namin sa chicken buffalo.
Ito na ha. Tasting. Ano ba ito yung mga sauce?
Sauce po, yes. We have the garlic mayo, we have the barbecue.
Bargain barbecue from scratch.
Yes po, everything.
Walang na.
Wala.
Okay. I will try with barbecue. Ito. Ang sarap naman.
So everything we have is from scratch. So,
Yummy.
and then we explained in our pasta. We have two kinds of pasta. We have the actually, the children love the children. We call it.
Lapit na. Gawin ko lang camera. Marami mga kapribo. Ano kaya mamigay tayo ng gift certificate?
Yes.
Kapila there, be closer to them. Sa mga kapribo natin, i-raffle natin.
Yes.
Ilan kaya ang pwedeng kumain? Mga gift certificate we can give. Ito rin siguro. Ano sa natin?
Then yung sa team, we can give 10 gift certificates, no? So whoever will win, they can give.
Ayan, 10 ang magwawagi ngayon.
Para healthy.
Magte-text lang kayo sa Kind Cafe. What number?
Number.
What number para manalo po kayo sa first come, first serve?
I think they should message our
Let's give out 5 gift certificates for 2 people.
Okay.
Okay? So 5 gift certificates for 2 people dito sa Kind Cafe. Mag-text na kayo ngayon din.
0998-599-0524.
Ulitin natin.
Okay. 0998-599-0524.
Ayan na mga katribo. Mamaya mag-text. One last number.
0998-599-0524.
Very good. The Kind Cafe. Appetizer lang.
Yes, appetizer. Some po yung ulam nila.
Ito ulam. Ito masarap kaya with rice.
Masarap din po siya. We have our CC.
Okay.
Kanin na kasi para CC.
Sisi. Ito naman.
That's our ice. Yes, our good ice.
O, ikaw naman. Let's toast. We will toast to
I think this one is nice. You should taste. This is the sparkling.
Balikan tayo.
The sparkling. You can taste both.
Sige. Gusto kong kainin at yung lahat. Nasa
This
menu.
is sparkling.
Cheers.
Sparkling water.
Mabuhay po ang kalusugan natin mga katribo at kalusugan po dito. Yung sarap.
Refreshing.
Pwede ba kumain na lang ako dito araw-araw?
Pwede po. Welcome.
I'm tasting everything.
Kabisado po lahat.
Kaya lang tawag sa food tasting. Kaya sarap
So good
din.
idea. So it's
Feel good tea and
and then
very nice, very, very nice. Okay, so we already did the bento. It's gyoza at tofu steak, tonkatsu. Tapos ito naman,
This is our oglio.
ayoyo.
And then we have two kinds of noodles, pasta po kasi ginagamit. Then we have the seaweed pasta, which is made, we are getting it from home, from small artisans.
Oh my gosh, this is artisanal.
Even the press boys.
I will show you again. When I follow dito, show the pasta. Closer. O, tingnan na naman. Okay. Umeksena naman. Oh. Bango. Actually, it smells like real good traditional old-fashioned. Anong nilalagay dito?
And usually we never call vegan food with them.
Tofu.
We talk
Okay.
English.
Tofu lang.
We just cook it on different ways.
Yes, yes. Ito yung bang sandwich? Ano to?
Philly steak sandwich. So it's it's oyster mushroom and then it's sauteed and then with our homemade
So, pati homemade.
roasted tomato. Potato.
Ang sarap naman.
Our homemade bread you can buy. Sabi lang.
Alam nyo, appetizer lang. Sold na mo.
Nakakabos.
Diba? Oh. Okay. Tapos itong dessert naman.
This is our smoothie.
Smoothie.
Yeah, very healthy. Frozen fruit. Orange.
Pakita natin. Smoothie. Very big na. Ano ba? Anong the chia? I can see the chia.
Chia po. And then frozen fruit.
Wow! So good. Sarap naman dito sa Kind Cafe. Tell us, you first opened Kind Cafe na.
May 19 po.
This is
Very new,
really
yes.
brand new. Palakpakan po natin yung Kind Cafe.
Pero the Kind Cafe po, we're joining the festival. Because they want to have an option. You know, sometimes non-vegan also they're tired eating meat already.
Yes. Parang ako, alam mo, yung mga katibo, may mga araw na, ayaw ko talaga kumain ng karne. At ang lang. Sige, teka muna mga katibo. Sa aming pagbabalik, kalimutan namin, special reminders po kami. Huwag po kayong aalis.
And this break is brought to you by Angkas, Beat the Traffic, Bayad Center, hashtag Bigger Better Younger Bayad, and you can buy it all. Globe, atin ang mundo. Meralco, ang liwanag ng bukas. SM, we've got it all for you. Smart, live more today. Union Bank, it starts with you.
Tune in to Daily Tribune's show aimed at addressing the needs and problems of our OFWs from different corners of the globe. Hear about their plights and success stories every Tuesday and Thursday, 3 p.m. only on Daily Tribune's Facebook page and Tribune Now on YouTube.
Straight Talk dives deep into present issues of leadership, politics, business, and more. Engage in insightful conversations with industry shakers, government leaders, and trailblazers every Wednesday at 10 a.m. only here on Daily Tribune's Facebook page and Tribune Now in YouTube.
Welcome back mga katibo sa ating kindness episode dito po sa Kind Cafe sa Festival Mall. Dito po sa
Muntinlupa.
dapat i-update kayo dito sa Muntinlupa. Okay, so April turned done and she wants to share the good news. na yung vegan cafe nila ay siyang makakasunod po sa akin. Ever since turning vegan, how did you feel? Kumusta naman ang
Pero basically, my son po kasi has asthma. So, naka-maintain na siya. And then, for 7 years of his life, naka-maintain na siya. So what we did, we tried to transition him. So, kung nag-full vegan siya, wala na siyang asthma. Wala na
mga
And then he's doing sports na, playing tennis, before he cannot do it. But mahihirap po yan, may sakit.
So, ibig sabihin,
It helps po.
he must have been allergic.
For beings, we will never find out na kami. And then yun so, then ako lang person, I'm on my healthiest right now. Before this I'm very big. I cannot do anything. Right now, age of 59, I do 10 minutes, I go to the day.
May energy ka na.
So, and then I have energy to do this. And then to do, we have a resort din po kami. Sa Lobo, Batangas, which is a vegan resort. So it's called the Kaida Resort.
Ang ganda.
Yeah, so ongoing po yun.
We must visit you there. Habang
Mandatory.
Mandatory. Dapat meron na kayong spa.
We'll try to, maliit lang kasi siya, it's only 15 villas, but we'll try to include like na pwede po na may therapist.
Yes, yes, okay, very good. Okay, this looks interesting.
Yes, this is our French toast. So of course, being vegan, French toast, nahirapan kami or find the recipe. So my chef and I created this dish para ma-enjoy ng vegan. So again, the bread is our bread. We only make our bread. So you can't find anywhere. Kami nag-bake it.
So lang, I love French toast. Kaya lang, lahat ng French toast ay low. Ayaw ko naman.
Wala po.
So, di ako makahanap ng isang restaurant na merong French
Dito
toast
na yan.
na kind to my body.
Yes.
Ito na.
Dito na po.
I will eat this. Okay, ito naman.
Ito, this is our city class.
Sisig. Oh, that looks good. This really looks
So this naman po combination of tofu and mushrooms.
it's difficult to find the natin. It's difficult to find a chef that will do your kitchen.
Ano po, my chef who came from a vegan restaurant. Then we help each other to create the dish. Siyempre, according to, I mean, we know we cannot use everybody's diet. But, you know, this is, the closest we can para ma-enjoy not just the vegan, but
Okay. Pwede natin gawin ang mga katrigo part 2 kung gusto ninyo. Ang part 2 natin ay cooking demo, how to prepare vegan dishes.
yes.
Gusto mo?
Yes, we can
Share.
share some of our recipes. Maybe not the best selling.
Mga katrigo yan. Magpapalipot po tayo sa kusina.
I can teach them the vegan bulalo that we're doing, which is not here, but that's my favorite to my children. So they can, share it with their children.
Vegan bulalo. Very good.
And because I'm from Nueva Ecija and my dad is Ilocano, I can teach them how to do the vegan.
O sige, next episode, nandun na tayo sa kusina ng Kakain Cafe. Sa ganon, yung ating mga misis sa bahay, makakakuha ng bagong recipes.
Not just healthy, it's also cheap.
Yes.
Than the meat version.
Yes, okay. So now, would you like to invite our televiewers, our viewers to come to the Kakain?
Yes, we invite for everybody. So the Kain Cafe is located in upper ground level, East Wing, Festival Mall Alabang. Beside po kami ng Old Moon and harap ng Power Bank. So lahat po welcome dito, vegan and non-vegan. You go po, invite natin. You can try to appreciate also what we have done to create these dishes. Yung mga behind the scenes namin para kung malaman niya how Mark will actually create all of the dishes.
I want to try the sisig muna, ha? Before that.
Yeah, here's our coffee. Yeah, these are the cafe latte.
Well, ayan.
Happy art.
This is the famous cafe latte.
We have a seahorse. That's it.
Oo nga, Seymour.
And then this is our single origin we use for over.
Pwede pwede pakita yung Seymour. Yan.
It's more appreciated siya kapag pour over rather than seahorse.
Oh,
That's where you actually appreciate it.
very
Yeah,
nice. Mhm. So you know what? The kind cafe has to be experienced.
Yes.
Ito ilapit namin pakita yung Seymour. Yan. Oh. Pero pang ano, art. Oo, galing. Galing talaga. I love the concept. It's a fun.
That's what we're doing. Ang goal.
So, next episode, andun na tayo. We will rate the kitchen of the cafe.
Sige po. Magtuturo kami ng cheaper way for food.
Your last words, April? Until next week.
Yeah. So ano po, we are very happy and we are humbled. We are featured here. And then, of course, everybody who wants to taste vegan po, we come here at the Festival Mall, Kain Cafe.
Ayan, mga kasribo, yan po ang ating episode. Be kind to yourself. So cheers, mabuhay po tayong lahat. We will cheers with coffee.
Coffee, yes.
Ako naman sa aking peach tea.
Thank you po.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yan, sa kagustuhan po natin lahat. Mabuhay po mga kasribo. Para sa ating Be Well Now, ako po, si Cory Lee.